our strategy, basic terminology. Then I'm going to give you guys a real-time stock market trading with our strategy, as well as our risk management and everything in between. The quote of the day is, you can't experience tranquility without first experiencing humility. I also want to give a shout out to all our veterans, active duty, reservists. I also want to give a shout out to all of our first responders, excluding the police department. We do not like the police. You're not welcome here per se. Well, you guys, you know what I'm saying. If you want to stay around, we just don't support you. Have fun. Crash out with that one. So let's get into this course. What is options trading? I'm definitely not going to read like slide for slide. Options trading is basically trading stocks with the option to buy. Explaining, you have an option contract multiplier. So with one contract gives you control of 100 shares. Pretty much, you have control of 100 shares with the contract, with the option to buy the stock price at $100, even if the stock price goes up. Meaning, if the strike price was $100 when you bought the stock, and the price you put a call in, the price goes up to $300. All you have to do is, when your option contract expires, you're going to exercise the right to purchase those shares at $100, but those shares are worth $300. If that doesn't make sense, follow along. We're about to get right into it. All right, back to the basics. You guys got to get a trading platform. I use Webull, TradingView, and Thinkorswim. All of them are great platforms. I use them for different accounts. We have the small account on TradingView. We have my actual account on Webull. It's a big conglomerate. But I recommend starting off with paper trading, which is real trades, real-time trading with fake money, meaning you can lock in our profits. You can trade with us every day, but you don't have to risk any of your money. You can see our profits. You can actually make the trades with paper money, which essentially is real money. You just can't take it out of the account. And once you get good with that, then I recommend you switch over to actual trading with real money. It's a pretty simple process when you think about it. You really only have to apply for a brokerage. You can pick Robinhood, Tastyworks, any brokerage you want works, long as they trade options on there. I recommend if you're really wanting to get invested with us, and as far as our Discord chat, link below in the description, where I send signals free of charge for the first 2 months, then I would recommend getting Webull, because with my one-on-one mentoring service and the other guys in the chat in Maverick with me, they'll be able to help you on Webull or Thinkorswim, one of the platforms we use because we're familiar with our platforms. If you decide to go with Robinhood, I'm not very familiar with Robinhood, so your learning curve might be a little steeper. All right, let's get into some calls. Calls is essentially betting on the stock price to go up. It's not really a bet. If the stock price, you want the stock price to go up, so you place a call. That's easy. Put, exact opposite. You think the stock price is going to go down, you place a put. Simple terms. Take notes on these definitions. Make sure you guys got them down. If at any point in the video you don't understand something, when we get to actual live trading, pause it, come back, take some notes. Any questions, hit me up at Maverick Invest or Chris.Brown968 on Instagram. All right, now let's get into strike price. Strike price. Strike price is the price the stock is, the contract you're buying is at. You know what I'm saying? You have 3 different types of strike price. You have at the money, in the money, and out of the money. The moneyness of an option describes a relationship between the option contract and the value of a stock, meaning that is the price you're going to pay per contract for that premium. That's the premium cost, meaning you place a call and the stock price goes up, you're not even going to have to exercise the shares, because that premium, that strike price, is going to fluctuate so much. The range is going to be so much, and that's where the profits are as an option trader. That's the benefit of trading options. It's essentially trading like margin without the risk of actually doing margin. How to decide which strike price to pick? You got out of the money, which is higher risk, cheaper options price. Smaller chance of success. Out of the money, I recommend for my small account guys, like super micro account, $500 to $1,000. Starting off, that would be pretty much what I would recommend for you guys with the smaller accounts. In the money, less risk. Premiums are more expensive because the profits are going to be more, because those are the contracts that the stock price is really close to the range of the strike price, and it's just a good vibe all around. And then you got at the money, less risk, no intrinsic value, meaning the contract isn't going to fluctuate. It's kind of just going to stay the same. Higher risk than in the money strikes, but they are cheaper. So it's kind of a plus plus. To the next, we got candlestick patterns. Basically, just the basics. A green candle means that the candle closed higher than it opened, and a red candle meaning the candle closed lower than it opened. So let's get into various different types of candlesticks, but go back to this one. You can basically, candlesticks are used to develop trends, meaning that we develop the trends with the candlesticks, meaning an uptrend, downtrend, consolidation. We have several different type of candles, and candles basically tell us what the stock price is about to do. These are all the different type of candles. I recommend you look at these individually, kind of take notes on them. I'm not really going to give you an in-depth spiel on it just because this is just a crash course. But one-on-one mentoring is available, free first 2 months. Follow me, Maverick Investment Group. Support and resistance levels, which basically resistance will be the high and support will be your low. Support and resistance basically act as price action, like trading with support and resistance. Price action. When the stock price hits this price, this is the action, meaning for calls and puts. Like I said, all these terms will be described at the end of the video. If there's ever anything at the end of the video that you see, I really encourage you guys to come back and reflect on the PowerPoint slides and just kind of take notes. Sorry, I'm very parched. I need some water. My true self is coming out. I said cuz on camera, I'm dead. Trading with breakouts. A breakout is the stock price moving outside of a defined support and resistance level, meaning outside of our price action, meaning when the stock price hits this price action, this is the action it's going to do. False breakouts. You got to determine false breakouts because we do not want to lose those profits. We want to lock in those profits. But once you get those profits, we want to spend profits on other things that make us profits and then spend those profits on shit. So profits on shit. Spend profits on profits and spend those profits on shit. That is our slogan here at Maverick Investment Group. When I show you guys these trades, I'm not here to boast on profits. This is for educational purposes only. Reminder, quote of the day: you cannot experience tranquility without humility. That's part of our 444 spirit, eternal life. It's just a beautiful day to be alive. We just want to thank God. Scripture of the day is John 16. So God so loved the world so much that he gave his only son eternal life, and everyone with him will perish and also receive eternal life. We're going to jump right back into it. We got consolidation. Consolidation is when the stock price moves within a certain range. We look for consolidation basically to find breakouts. Honestly, I need some more water. Give me a second. Sorry about that. Okay. Consolidation. We use consolidation to find breakouts. Meaning the stock price is opening and closing equal. Alright, so now we're at our point where I'm pretty much just going to show you the strategy live, and we're pretty much going to play this Tesla trade. Now, I'm just going to show you where kind of consolidation is in trend lines. We're actually not going to trade the trade because I really don't know if this is a good play. We could kind of figure it out, but just for educational purpose, we're just going to use like kind of a simulator variable. First, you want to make sure you're in your 1 minute chart. Wi-Fi is hella slow, mate. Hella slow, matey. Hella slow, matey. Give me 1 second. We're having some technical difficulties. Technical difficulties. My cousin's hella funny. Kid's 8. Great kid. All right, we're back. It's love. For sure. First of all, you want to minimize this. Well, for educational purposes, we'll maximize. So first, you want to find your support and resistance. So support. Normally it's the high, but we're not just going to guess that. We're going to look at the days range. So I really think for Tesla, it's like a nice support. I want to say, give me a second. I want to go with about $2,083. So let's go. You're going to go to your drawings. You're going to go to horizontal line, and you're going to put it right where you think it's going to be. I use my support as a white line. I like the thickness because it just makes it very in-depth. I can see it very fast. For the high, I'm going to go right around where these candles are closing. $2,093, just because that's going to be my price action. That's why I feel like the plays are going to be making money. So we're going to get another horizontal line. I'm not tech savvy, and that's the beautiful thing about options trading. You really don't need to be tech savvy or math, really, because I definitely can't count. Anybody who knows me, I can't count. Video just uploaded. Well, as you're watching this video, the video is already on my YouTube at Maverick Invest. I'm going over this course in depth. The video describing how we made over $2,500 in profit yesterday on Tesla, which I went through the play, played it all live on Instagram, real time. Everybody saw the play. I don't know if anybody played the play, but you know what I'm saying? That's really not my beef. So once you establish your support and resistance, you want to find your breakouts. You start looking for breakouts. So where the price broke consolidation and broke out. So you're going to go to trend line. Boom. Boom. See a lot of consolidation in this range. And this is uptrend consolidation, as I previously described in the previous video. I like trend lines as purple, just because I've been doing this for a while now and I'm kind of stuck in my ways. Shout out to Saints Row, if anybody knows what that is. All right, so once we set that trend line, you'd see there's a breakout. Trend line, breakout. We want to monitor those breakouts. Around what price did the stock break out? As you can see here, we had a confirmation candle of a downtrend. And right here, we have a confirmation candle of a downtrend. We have spinning tops, which are the golden boy for consolidation. My grandma is literally walking over here talking mad loud. Mad loud, grandmother. Mad loud. You out of here?
That's out of here.
I will see you later.
Trying to beat the rush hour.
I'm dead.
So I can go home and get up in my bed.
I heard you.
And do nothing.
Yeah, I'm definitely editing anything out. I like the organicness of the vibe. Fuck it. Oh, I said the F word. You know, we're going to rock with that too. It's a kid-friendly channel. I apologize. I just wanted it to be organic, so it feels like you guys are trading with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not like, I'm just a normal dude, bro. I swear. I want y'all to see like this is real money being made. Breakout. So we're going to monitor breakout. So you see here, we have kind of an uptrend. You have the spinning top candle. Obviously, it opened higher than it closed. You have not really a confirmation candle coming up. It's trying to approach the price action price. But your next step would be to establish your false breakout. So false breakouts will be where the stock price hit price action and went down, such as here, here. You could have took profits here, but not really. And most definitely here. Just going over my notes. I have a bunch of notes wrote for the video. So we're going to look for consolidation. We already found our consolidation points. We wrote our consolidation points down, looking for major breakouts. Give me a second. You monitor consolidation to find where the consolidation was, just so you know for when you do enter your trade, what this consolidation means. What's the trend of this stock? You know what I'm saying? I love Tesla. Tesla, like I said in the previous video, high premiums but high profits. So we're probably we're probably either going to see an uptrend or a downtrend because it's trying to break out of our range, but we're just going to wait for the play. It's power hour. It's on Friday, meaning Market close, the last hour of market is always super volatile. We have over 17 million people in this trade. Not in this specific trade. See, we're having a downtrend. Now we're going to wait for our confirmation candle. We're definitely not going to put any puts in on Tesla just because Tesla is at all-time highs. It's up 4% on the day. But we're having a long candle right here on our breakout. Almost hitting price action. About $2 away from price action right now. Tesla moves, like I said, very volatile. Volatility in the stock means there's a lot of movement in the stock. Like I said, if there's any terms you don't understand, I'll reflect back to the previous video. More videos to come explaining as well. So for sure, step number 5 would be to find your breakouts. I already found our breakouts. Step number C, watch our breakouts. Wait for stock price hit price action. That's kind of what we're doing. So I'm going to turn off this audio. And I'm going to give you guys some of DJ Odyssey's beats. Follow DJ Odyssey on Instagram, DJ Odyssey on YouTube. All his beats. Use the discount code MAV on SoundCloud to purchase any beats. You get 10% off your order. All right, guys, I'm back. So you see right around 2083, we had a breakout. We could have played that, but like I said, we're not going to put any puts in Tesla. We had about a 5-point breakout. Called it. You guys see me traded live. We could have profited off that. That's about $5 per share with the option contract. We could have easily made $500. The 5 times 100, the option contract multiplier. Again, reference the beginning of the video. See, this is why I said we wouldn't play puts. This is a strong uptrend candle, meaning that the stock price is about to climb. Maybe. I don't know, though. I'm not like a guru. I'm just following my candles. But we're going to wait for the candle to close. The candle's going to close in 1 minute. Every candle closes every minute. That's what the 1 minute chart does. The 5-minute chart closes in 5 minutes, 15 chart minute closing in 15 minutes. Sheesh. We're kind of tired, bro. Okay, so we're having that's a confirmation candle right there, meaning that we're seeing a downtrend. It's a Tesla sell-off in the market. Let's see, we're hitting new lows. We're hitting new lows on the day. See, we could have profited here. Price action, this would have been our entry. Yellow lines is our entry. We did not enter, but this would have been our entry. Normal day, we would have entered. Entry here. Watch for breakouts. And then you lock in those profits. But the next thing would be to find a profit target. But since Tesla's kind of been running, I would put the profit target here. You would want to get out of that trade just because Tesla's very volatile. You cannot bet it against Elon Musk. That would just be a very bad decision. He's genius idea with the equity crowdfunding on the Tesla Cybertruck. It was a beautiful idea with the $100 pre-order. But other than that, this is how I trade. This is my strategy. You've seen we hit profit target and everything. Actually, I do the profit target in pink. Just because, like, you know what I'm saying, real man wear pink type vibe. Peep my Instagram. I got a picture in the salmon shorts. But thank you guys for coming. Thank you for tuning in. Like I said, reference the previous video. Let me know more ideas for videos, whether it's leveraging debt, expanding your credit score, or just overall life hacks. I'm big into cars, so just trying to build a connection between me and you guys for sure. Like I said, thank you for going. Quote of the day: you cannot experience tranquility until you experience humility. Scripture of the day, John 3:16. Have a blessed day, guys, and enjoy these beats.